The financial uncertainty brought by the COVID-19 pandemic has left many individuals and families seeking relief. In a significant move, the IRS is now sending stimulus payments worth up to $1,400 to approximately 1 million people who missed out on earlier distributions. This initiative aims to correct oversights and ensure eligible individuals receive the financial assistance they deserve. Here, we delve into the details of the stimulus checks, eligibility criteria, the automatic payment process, and the broader implications of this program. The stimulus payments distributed during the pandemic provided critical financial support to millions of Americans. However, not everyone received their full share, leading the IRS to launch this new corrective measure. Understanding the history and purpose of these payments is key to appreciating the current initiative. During the pandemic, the federal government issued 3 rounds of stimulus payments, 2 in 2020 and 1 in 2021. These payments were designed to alleviate financial hardships, stimulate economic activity, and provide a safety net for struggling families. Despite the widespread distribution, various logistical and technical challenges prevented some eligible individuals from receiving their full payments. This ongoing IRS effort underscores a renewed commitment to addressing those gaps. Several factors contributed to individuals missing out on their stimulus checks. Many people did not file tax returns, a common method for determining eligibility. Others were unaware of the recovery rebate credit, a provision allowing taxpayers to claim missing payments when filing their tax returns. Additionally, technical errors or incomplete filings may have resulted in individuals being overlooked. These missed opportunities highlight the need for proactive measures to ensure inclusivity in financial aid programs. The IRS has reviewed its records and identified approximately 1 million individuals who qualify for the recovery rebate credit but did not claim it. To address this oversight, the agency is now issuing payments automatically, ensuring that these individuals receive their rightful financial support without needing to take additional action. This process reflects a streamlined and efficient approach to correcting past errors. Understanding whether you qualify for this payment and how it will be delivered is essential for recipients. Eligibility for these payments primarily hinges on whether individuals met the criteria for the recovery rebate credit during the original distribution periods. Those who filed a tax return but failed to claim the credit are automatically eligible. Importantly, the IRS has ensured that these payments extend to a diverse group, including low-income earners, individuals with disabilities, and others who may have been overlooked initially. This inclusivity reflects the government's broader efforts to support vulnerable populations. The payment process is designed for maximum convenience. Recipients do not need to submit additional paperwork or file amended tax returns. The IRS has leveraged existing tax records to identify eligible individuals and is issuing payments directly. A letter will accompany the payment, explaining the amount and method of delivery, whether as a direct deposit or a mailed paper check. This approach minimizes administrative burdens for both recipients and the agency. The IRS began sending these payments in December 2024, with the majority expected to be delivered by late January 2025. This structured timeline ensures that recipients have clarity on when to expect their funds. Those who suspect they are eligible but have not received a payment by early February should consult the IRS website or contact a tax professional for assistance. Staying informed and proactive is crucial to resolving any potential issues. The recovery rebate credit serves as a vital mechanism for addressing missed stimulus payments, ensuring no eligible individual is left behind. The recovery rebate credit is a tax provision introduced alongside the stimulus programs. It allows individuals who didn't receive their full payment, or any payment at all, to claim the missing amount when filing their tax returns. This credit effectively acts as a second chance for eligible individuals to secure financial support. By bridging gaps in the initial distribution, the credit reinforces the government's commitment to equitable relief. Many taxpayers missed out on the recovery rebate credit simply because they weren't aware it existed. Confusion over eligibility and misinformation played a huge role in this. Thankfully, the IRS is stepping up, proactively identifying eligible individuals and ensuring they receive their benefits. This highlights a crucial need for better communication in future programs. Now, let's talk about the impact of automatic payments. By simplifying the process, the IRS has made it easier for everyone to access funds without the headache of complex forms. This is a significant step toward equity in financial relief. Despite its importance, many taxpayers were unaware of the recovery rebate credit, leading to unclaimed benefits. Limited outreach, confusion over eligibility criteria, and misinformation contributed to this lack of awareness. The current IRS initiative seeks to rectify these gaps by proactively identifying and paying eligible individuals. This effort highlights the need for improved communication in future programs. By automating the payment process, the IRS has removed significant barriers to access. Recipients no longer need to navigate complex forms or filing requirements, ensuring a more equitable distribution of funds. This streamlined approach also underscores the agency's commitment to addressing systemic oversights. It serves as a model for enhancing efficiency in public assistance programs. For those fortunate enough to receive this payment, making informed decisions about its use can maximize its impact. Here are some practical suggestions for leveraging this financial windfall effectively. Many recipients may choose to allocate their stimulus payments toward essential expenses such as rent, utilities, or groceries. These immediate needs are often the most pressing, especially for individuals who have faced prolonged financial hardships. Using the funds to address urgent obligations can provide much-needed relief and stability. Another prudent use of the funds is to bolster emergency savings. Setting aside a portion of the payment can provide a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, offering greater stability in uncertain times. This approach is particularly valuable for those who lack a sufficient safety net. For some, the stimulus payment may present an opportunity to invest in long-term goals, such as education, retirement savings, or home improvements. Using the funds strategically can yield lasting benefits, enhancing overall financial well-being. It's essential to align spending with personal priorities and future aspirations. Whenever financial relief programs are announced, scammers often seize the opportunity to exploit unsuspecting individuals. Awareness and caution are key to protecting yourself from fraudulent schemes. The IRS will never contact individuals via phone, email, or text message to request personal information. Any correspondence regarding these payments will come in the form of official letters. If you receive suspicious communication, report it to the IRS immediately. Staying vigilant can prevent identity theft and financial losses. Be wary of offers promising to expedite payments or requiring upfront fees. Such schemes are fraudulent and should be avoided. Trust only verified sources for information about your payment status. Educating yourself about common scams can help you recognize and avoid potential threats. For accurate information, rely on the IRS website or consult a licensed tax professional. These trusted sources can provide clarity and guidance, helping you navigate the process with confidence. Proactive measures can safeguard your financial well-being. The IRS's initiative to distribute $1,400 stimulus payments to 1 million individuals underscores its commitment to ensuring equitable financial relief. By addressing past oversights and streamlining the payment process, this program offers much-needed support to those who missed out on previous benefits. Whether you use the funds for immediate needs, savings, or future investments, this payment represents an opportunity to enhance financial stability. Stay informed, vigilant, and proactive to make the most of this financial lifeline.